Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use desiccant silica gel in shoes. Silica gel is a powerful desiccant, meaning it effectively absorbs moisture. This helps to keep your shoes dry, preventing the growth of odor-causing bacteria and mildew. Using these small packets is a simple and effective way to maintain your footwear. Using silica gel in your shoes is incredibly easy. After you've worn your shoes, simply place 1 or 2 silica gel packets inside each shoe. This is especially effective if your shoes are damp from sweat or rain. Allow the packets to remain in the shoes for several hours or even overnight to absorb maximum moisture. Silica gel packets are reusable, which is a great benefit. You'll know they're saturated when they change color, often from blue to pink or orange to green, depending on the indicator. To reactivate them, simply bake the packets in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 hours. Make sure they are completely dry before reusing. Incorporating silica gel into your shoe care routine offers many advantages. It significantly extends the life of your footwear by preventing moisture damage and keeps them smelling fresh without the need for sprays. For optimal results, make it a habit to place the packets in your shoes after every wear. Your shoes will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.